Vo in Labor Day nya vialite in kan kala viali kan vatlo nuin hey vineyard. What is the name again, honey?
Black Ankle Winery.
Black Ankle Winery Vineyard akan kaldon hey an ra nem chen mayanya hey amol wine and siam nan ya lai hi and wine.
How's it taste? Sour?
Probably sour. Atam tlem mayan grape too. Hey. Thang lama pawh khwanin atam hle mai kan ti por photange. Wow, an van ra tha em hey ara nem hle mai mizo ma pawh khan ching ve thawa grape le winery kha om ve thawin ka siam mizo ma khan ni tam khilai mual zong khi grape vek ani chu helai hi grape hun tam hle mai avahan bor thale loi em heng te chu an grape mun chu azau hle mai a khi mi an grape taka khi azam ve lo tlat akungin om tlat maya hey lại qua nên ăn siam nó mình chu nhiều so lại xoay cần khu lại qua nên đây là qua nên cho lấy từ đó mình yang cần pain Greek food đó tia cái dù lấy tiền á tia thế làm bằng mual dòng po hi nị hi. What happened? Are you going to buy some food? Are you closing?
What's that, hon?
Are they closing?
No, but
Yeah, you're welcome to stay and hang out. And we don't like hard close, especially with how many people we have here. We'll probably be here till like 7.
Oh, okay.
Hang out. Is this
So-
your first time here?
First
Yeah.
time.
All right.
we didn't know you were
So
here.
how many acres of?
The property here is about 175 acres. We have 58 and a half acres under vine
Oh,
here.
acres asum sari panga. Ani
We're
so
a state-grown
so.
vineyard. Everything is grown here.
Oh, okay.
We're
Helayan
not
siam
far
vek ani
away,
hi.
but we didn't know you.
Yeah.
How
So
many years have you been
how old
They
is?
opened the tasting room in 2008. So
Zani
in
pariata.
like 15 years now.
Oh.
I guess we had no idea.
So panga vel ni so where?
Yeah, you're welcome to stay and hang out.
Okay, where should we go inside, honey? So where are the place they make the wine?
The winery is down there on the other side of the
Oh,
barn.
okay.
You can't see it from here, but we've got our winery, and they're actually just starting to. They spent all last week harvesting grapes. We actually have another farm in Clarksburg, about a half hour south of here. They've been.
คำภาษาตรงนี้นั้น
We do.
อันเรปันเซียมจันโตนี่ซู
Normally we've got them on like weekdays around 3 and
popular around Mount Airy, but I bet it's smaller than this, right? So, where do you where you sell mostly your wine?
we sell a lot of the wine through the tasting room here. We
Okay.
have a pretty expansive wine club now. We just crossed 3,300 members.
Oh wow!
And so we're selling a lot. And we
Member
are in
something-
quite a few
something
stores
little.
and restaurants around Maryland.
Maryland
Yes.
restaurant, and Zuarani. So
I guess
can we see the wine?
Absolutely. Come on inside.
Black Ankle Vineyard. Okay. Oh wow.
You're on transmit.
All right.
There for you. Well, if you are especially the first time, take advantage of featured tasting there. 33 in person. Look, we've got the tasting menu real quick. This is kind of our current tasting we've got. There's 5 wines on there that will walk you through. They'll tell you about, the wine and the property and stuff. Usually they'll splash in a bonus wine or two depending on kind of what the party likes.
So you have the red wine and the
We have red and white right now.
okay. What else? I mean.
We're growing 13 different varietals of grape here.
Oh, great.
We've got quite a
ส้ม
few.
ปทุมส้มปทุมอันที่อันนี้too. Wow, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
So the do you distribute outside Maryland?
Yes, we ship. We've got wine club members kind of across the country. We have 17 different states that we ship to. That we have partners with.
State ส้มปัสริยาอันซัวอันนี้tooอันทะเมียน
This
wine.
is where you can find us in like stores and restaurants around Maryland. It's
Oh,
kind of
okay.
divided up by
Let
county
me see.
there.
Can I see this? Can you put? Okay, so this is crumbling rock.
Yes. Our 2000. That's kind
Okay,
of
so
older.
it's a red wine, right? That's a red wine.
Yes.
Okay.
Kind of specialize in our kind of drier Bordeaux style red
Okay.
wines.
I dry in it to hate to.
Yes.
Yeah. And then what's the alcohol content on here?
It varies. It's usually between like 12 and 14.
Oh, alcohol
usually
content
around-
too. Som panitanga som palini too. Okay. All right. So you have anybody can come and sit down and have wine here, right? Okay.
Did you show the whole place?
What, honey? Here, you take over. So we go over. Oh, look.
How far is that from where you live? Is there a house with buildings?
Okay.
They're self-pollinating, and these little flowers actually turn into a bunch of grapes, and they grow up for a while, and then they turn and they go down.
Yeah, I was telling. Do you know what the name, the kind of grapes that you're growing here?
Well, they're from the variety.
Okay.
For example, on this hill is Pinot Noir or Syrah.
Okay.
Along this hill is Cabernet. Cabernet. Cabernet.
Oh, so the name of the grape
Grape
has
is the vine.
Oh.
So there's the same kind of rootstock
Okay.
from America.
Okay.
And then they graft on the top, literally with the X-Acto knife and a piece of tape. They graft in the kind of grape they want to grow.
So, the gentleman said that you have like 175 acres of land.
We have 146,
46.
and about 95 are planted in grapes.
Wow. So for on the different areas, you plant different.
Yes,
Grapes.
makes it easier to pick.
Yeah.
We pick all of the Chardonnay. We pick all
So Chardonnay is the name of
the vine, right at the grape
Oh
on the
wow.
vine.
I didn't know that.
Now you do.
So how many? I mean, in a year, okay?
In a year.
How many roughly you produce?
It depends on the size of the grape
Oh.
and what it generally produces. Like sometimes you see a peach, it's this big. Sometimes you see a peach, it's that big.
Oh, okay.
Grenache is a huge grape.
Okay.
Chardonnay is a teeny grape.
Oh, okay.
So we get roughly one bottle per grapevine.
Oh, so
I guess the weather has something to do with how well they grow too, right?
Right now.
The heat and the rain, how much
Yep.
heat you get, how much rain you get.
Exactly. And we want those grapevines to work hard and dig all the way down into the soil
Okay.
to get their water. So we don't care if it hasn't rained
I
a month
know, it
August,
hasn't.
but it doesn't matter for us, for grapes.
Okay, so do you feed them fertilizer or
We use a natural product,
okay?
and it is cow manure
Yeah.
that has been seasoned in the ground, and then we mix it with water and we spray it on the grapes.
You spray on the vine.
So it's organic.
Yeah.
It's organic.
And grape too. Bong egg. Tu yan si hua chuan an spray ni chu bong egg in.
Yeah, we mix the food
Yeah. Okay. Bong pu kha an mix a chuan grape an
with water,
yeah.
and
Do you
then we
net?
spray it on the grapes.
Wow. That's natural.
It's natural, very natural.
So I was telling him the grape looks like a tree. It doesn't. When I think about grapes, it's like a vine going across. But those are. I was saying those look like a tree, and I told my husband I can plant one.
Now, what happens is
Okay.